Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a little different for me. Hopefully you can hear me, but this video is a little different for me. I am doing a pack and prep vacation vlog. So today is July 2nd. We go out of town July 16th. Alright, like that's literally I have to start prior to because we got so much going on. We can talk about that stuff later, but yeah, so clearly you can see my hair needs to be done. I'm gonna do that next week. I am about to attempt to do my nails. This is my first time doing acrylic overlays. I'm a little nervous about it, but I've been watching a lot of videos and I feel like I can definitely, my arm hurts so much. I feel like I can definitely get it done, but and then the microwave goes off. That's my lurch for the day. But anyway, so yeah, this video about it's gonna seem all over the place, but it's really not. It's just gonna be a bunch of like clips over the next like about 2.5 weeks as we go through and prep for our family vacation. Okay, so the overlay method did not work. Clearly I was struggling, but once I was like, oh okay, I figured out how to do the bead, then I was thinking I can do something. I kept trying to line off camera different size beads, like the amount of stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave. Now this is the hard part because if my boys are here, like this stuff smells. Okay, so that's really like the hardest part. And I gotta get this fan going. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put a pin in it, and then I'm going to run up to the side. I say I gotta go to Kroger, so this ain't got nothing to do with the prep, my Kroger. I just need some stuff from Kroger, but I'm going to run over to Sally's, which is it's in the same plaza as Kroger. I'm gonna run to Sally's. I'm going to get the half nail forms. I just don't feel like doing a Gel X. I'm sorry, I just don't feel like doing a Gel X. So half size nail forms. I do have nail glue. Prayerfully that'll work. That just may be the route to go. Hopefully that'll work. I don't know, but honestly I feel like if I'm like struggling to get my bead going and to like spread it out and it's a forming down, I don't know if the nail tips will work. So yeah, I don't know. I think I'm still gonna go get the nail tips, because even if the acrylic doesn't work, I still want to do my nails anyways, you know what I mean? And like I'll still do like the Gel X and all that other stuff on there. Or I don't know, maybe just like put gel polish, just do like a gel manicure situation. So well yeah, it's not Gel X because I'm using actual nail glue. So we'll see what happens. But yep, so I'm going to go ahead and go and we'll see how this thing works. So now y'all can hear me because I did not plug up my microphone. Today's July. Okay, today is July the 4th. And I am about to do my hair, clearly. So yesterday was what? I think yesterday was July 3rd. But I did my hair on July, I keep saying my hair. Not my hair, what did I do? My nails on July, whatever day that was. Now, I got a situation with my nails because, like, this is how they look. A hot mess. For whatever reason, whenever I do, like, gel X on my nails, like my own artificial, my own natural nails, they don't always, wait for my neighbor, they don't always stick, and I can put them off like stickers. I don't care what I do, how I do it, how I prep the products, for whatever reason. So I don't know if I'm just not curing them long enough. Really not 100% sure what it is, but I'm gonna get that figured out. So what I'm gonna end up doing is I'm just gonna go ahead and just get like some press-ons or whatever. Well, I have some, I just gotta do them. This is how it's looking. I think I'm like 2 months, and I was debating on if I was going to retwist or interlock, but y'all, I did a 5K today, and I've just been working out lately, and Ben and I, we agreed, like he got a say on my hair. But he gets to struggle, he understands it all. So interlocking, best way to go. All right, talk long enough. Let me go ahead and get some pictures and videos for the TikTok. Let me get started. I think I messed up my hair. I really do think I messed up my hair. And so I'm almost like, I just jumped up to this side, so I just have this lasso to do. I'm just gonna rock a middle part. And then I didn't even do like, I only got like 2 rows in the back. I got irritated and I jumped to the side, and then I'm gonna go back to the back and I'm gonna do the other side because it's quicker for me to do my sides. Yo, my arms hurt, but I don't know, like I just feel like, I don't know if it's just like my hand placement with my thing, like they don't feel tight, like they're not tight. Like I think this, let me see, this one, like it's not tight, it's really not. This is just like a sensitive area for me. So I don't know, y'all, like I'm almost done, so I'm just trying to think it's for the vacation. Honestly, as much as I probably should be interlocking, I honestly think that either I'm gonna try and change my tools, because tools, like I'm using these little doohickeys, and then I'm also using this situation. I'm just like alternating between two. Oh, and I got this thing I'm gonna do with this. I'm just drinking it. Hold on. I'm just alternating between the two, and yeah, so I'm just alternating between the two, and I just realized my setting. This is the wrong setting. Just hold on. I just changed it, but anyways, yeah. So I gotta hurry up. I still gotta do these baked beans, and I'm starting to get a headache, y'all. I'm hot. I'm not sweating anymore, but yeah, I don't know, like I'm so mad, so irritated. I want to comb my hair out so bad. Like y'all don't understand. I just want to cut it off so bad. I'm not gonna cut it off because my hair is definitely come a long way, but I just really want to comb these out and just start rocking braids, because I'm a little irritated. Just go ahead, hurry up, and like thug out the rest. Like I don't know. Let me see. Let me focus on my hair real quick. Let me see if it'll focus on my hair for y'all. Like, let me see. It's not working how I want it to work. I don't know. Let's see. Like, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know if I'm doing anything wrong, because I could be doing everything right. But anyway, so I'm about to just go ahead and hurry up, rock this out, and see now we're still focusing on my hair. Oh Lord, I'm hot. Go ahead, thug this out, and then I'll be back when I'm done. I don't know if this is gonna show up on camera. Let me see. Is this showing? This is like a full, like long piece of gray. I don't know if you can really see it. and it eventually goes into black. Wow, oh my goodness. Probably can't really tell. There we go. Oh, so it was supposed to go in this one. I'm about to pull it up in this one. Hopefully it don't hurt. Yo, y'all, I apologize for being all over the place. This video was all over the place, but I was all over the place. And I don't mean, even though it was only like my nails and my hair, my response to everything, and y'all, I was all over the place. But the reason why I say it was my hair, I was just in my feelings, and I felt like I messed up because this is my first time doing a continual interlocking thing. Like, I did do one retwist in between just to kind of see if it's something that I would want to continue to do with my locks being this size, and I realized no. So I'm just going to keep interlocking. And the unfortunate side of switching between interlock and retwist, you don't have that point where you last stopped at. And so I'm like, okay, like, did I mess them up? I didn't mess them up. I was able to get it done in enough time. This video is about to come to an end. I hope you guys, even though it's all over the place, I hope you guys still enjoyed today's video. And this will be part 1, or not even just part 1, video 1 in my vacation 2025 series. So they all will be in a playlist. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel so you will be able to, I mean, you can still watch the playlist without being subscribed, but I just, I just want your subscriptions. So yeah, you can see my hair is done and it was all cool. And of course I think this was like Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. Y'all know how I do. I be late for church doing stuff. Anywho, again, thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and to subscribe. And I will see you all in the next vacation video.